Can creditors claim money from an estate after death? Imagine a loved one has just passed away, and you're wondering what happens to their debts. Do those debts disappear, or can creditors still come after the estate? Well, the answer is yes. Creditors can claim money from a deceased person's estate after death. When someone dies, any unpaid debts they owed don't just vanish. Instead, these debts become claims against the estate, which is made up of the person's assets like bank accounts, property, and investments. The person responsible for handling the estate is called the personal representative, sometimes known as the executor or administrator. Their job is to manage all claims against the estate. They must notify known creditors through a formal process called a notice to creditors. This notice gives creditors a set amount of time, usually between 3 months and a year depending on the state, to file their claims. If creditors don't file within this window, they might lose the chance to collect later. Creditors can submit claims in 2 ways. They can send informal bills directly to the personal representative or file formal claims with the probate court. Formal claims often requiring sworn statements and proof of the debt. The personal representative then reviews each claim carefully. They can approve or reject claims based on the evidence. If a claim is approved, the estate uses its assets to pay the debt. This might mean selling property or liquidating investments. It's important to know that debts are paid before any inheritance is distributed. If the estate doesn't have enough assets to cover all debts, the estate is considered insolvent. In that case, creditors may only receive a portion of what they are owed or nothing at all. Once all valid claims are settled, the remaining assets are distributed to heirs or beneficiaries. The rules about creditor claims can vary from state to state. For example, in California, creditors have for months from the date they are notified to file claims. Some states give up to a year for claims against trusts or estates. This process is part of probate and estate administration, which is the legal process of settling a person's estate after death. From an estate planning point of view, understanding creditor claims helps in protecting assets. Using tools like trusts or beneficiary designations can sometimes help keep assets out of reach of creditors. But generally, once someone passes away, creditors have a legal right to pursue claims against the estate. Managing these claims properly ensures debts are paid and the estate is settled fairly before assets go to heirs.